Hello friends, welcome to Global Online University. Now we are going to discuss some important bits which were related in economy. Now the first question is rolling plan. That means in planning commissions, the rolling plan in the year, for option 1, 1978 to 1980, option 2, 1975 to 1976, option 3, 1990 to 1992, option 4, 1974 to 1978. And the correct answer is option 1, 1978 to 1980 is the correct answer. Now next question. In the same planning commission, the plan break in which year between the plan break was occurred? Option 1, 1980 to 1990, 1985 to 1987, 1992, option 4, 1981 to 1983. Plan break, and the correct answer is option 3, 1990 to 1992 is the correct answer. Next question. The National Income Estimates Committee by PC Mahalanobis. Option 1, 1994, option 2, 1949, option 3, 1948, option 4, 1950. And the correct answer is option 2, 1949 is the correct answer. And the next question. Central Statistical Organization. In which year Central Statistical Organization was formed? Option 1, 1950, option 2, 1952, option 3, 1957, option 4, 1955. Central Statistical Organization, and the correct answer is option 4, 1955. And the next question. In which year Bombay plan? Option 1, 1944, option 2, 1945, option 3, 1943, option 4, 1950. And the correct answer is option 3, 1943 is the correct answer. And next question. People's Plan by M.N. Roy. People's Plan. In which year People's Plan? Option 1, 1945, option 2, 1946, option 3, 1947, option 4, 1948. And the correct answer is option 1, 1945 is the correct answer. Now the next question. Sarvodaya Plan by Jayaprakash Narayana. Option 1, 1955, option 2, 1945, option 3, 1949, option 4, 1950. And the correct answer is option 4. Option 4, 1950 is the correct answer for Sarvodaya Plan. Now next question. In which year the Planning Commission established? In which year the Planning Commission was established? Option 1, 1952, option 2, 1944, option 3, 1950, Option 4, 1955. And the correct answer is option 3, 1950 is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.